couple of you were talking about yesterday how you were having trouble keeping your wraps on when you used a base coat or lacquers underneath. And I have to use a base coat underneath for my nails because they're so dry to give them some protection. And so I've learned a few tricks along the way to help with that lasting longer. First of all, you want to make sure, of course, you're going through your steps to prep your nails, just like when you do your wraps. So you want to make sure you push your cuticles back. You want to make sure that you clean your nails real well. And then you want to apply a fresh layer of the base coat or the lacquer. Let that dry and use alcohol wipes again before you apply the wraps. Then you want to make sure, what is really key here is to not compromise the surface of that base coat or lacquer. So once the wrap touches it, don't lift it again. And don't use the pull and stretch method. Make sure you use plenty of heat and pressure, just like you always do with your wraps. I think that using the metal spoon pusher really helps to make sure you're getting that good seal. Then I have discovered a trick for fixing it if it starts to lift. I am wearing the I Lava You lacquer on these fingers that are orange with the fall fever. And if you can see here, this finger here, this corner is lifting. So what I do is I take some of the clear base coat. You're not going to want to use the smoothing base coat. You're going to want to use the strengthening one or another brand if you have to. And I just take a little bit on the brush and kind of work it underneath the wrap, between the wrap and my nail. Then I apply pressure, letting that dry a little bit, and heat. I don't usually like to pull out my mini heater for this because it just seems like a lot of work. So I often have a warm cup of tea, so literally I use the side of my mug and just warm it that way. So that's what I have. I hope it helps, ladies. I usually get 7 to 10 days, and I have gotten up to 14 days with it. So I hope that helps you. Bye.